Hello, assalamualaikum. This is the dashboard, admin dashboard. Check that this is the admin dashboard. So this is the showing arrow admin. Also, this is you can profile update, personal details, name, device, location. You can change also password. You can here, and there is also business setting. So business setting you can update logo, business name, folder name, ABN, slogan, business description, SEO keyword, meta keyword, also contact information, phone to email, website, address, state, then banking, your banking and payment, bank name, account name, BSB, account number, check number, PayPal email, card, and invoice, footer message. So also we have added here SMTP. So email propagation, you do not need manually code editing system, so you can update it your setting. So your SMTP server you can put here username, from, and password and name. Then email template, this is the email header and email footer, you can update from it here. So completely dynamic process we have added here. In the setting you can update it automatically, your software, your application automatically send the system. So this is the dashboard, and dashboard account system, this is the account system, charge account. So it in the 13 university also configure it, recent login automatically show here, and also booking will show here. So now comes here the new booking. So new booking showing everything. So here like this, when you click the university automatically added sheet, so these are added. So when you put yes, everything your existing application, so just everything, that look is the UI is completely different and completely modern looked UI we have added here. So next, and you can the default setup is we need to put here answer to next page go. So just click and next, the next, the showing you how it's work everything. So base performance, everything your existing application have added. So completely new booking has been added also. So this is the 2 days booking. So 2 days booking is here is showing 2 days booking. When you select, then automatically select Excel, PDF and HTML. Also all booking is you can everything, every field is here, any. So 150 and 25. So account system here also all added in there. Search account, add account, you can add it here. Driver, so you can add a driver. Also driver can apply manually from the registering in the application. So driver group, admin user, you can add it admin info. Also role you can change it to driver, so automatically driver on. So partner, so here partner you can say here partner user, and so user, normal user as a student you can see there. So in the invoice you can check the new invoice, you can search it any search account and click the search, it will work. So new invoice you can see search account, create a charge account. You have to create first a charge account, then it will show you here. So charge account you can create from here, you can create charge account. So list invoice is here also, you can search it by providing the here also charge account. So charge account first need to create, then you can search it. So accountant in the cash in, also cash out, also cash entity, also cash delivery, everything is here. Then driver payment, you can search it in driver payment, search the driver ID. When you put added the driver, then showing the all driver here. So setting is here, the business setting I have showing already. So driver report, you can check the driver report, all is here. Also the first estimator, there's the map, Google Map API I need to use. So then the first estimator, point of interest. The point of interest already added, so now you can search it. Pause. And card type, you can add the card type here. The variable fire, then fixed char, all data is showing here. Then the variable, your existing database, all variable we put is here, so you can edit and update from here. Then so now check, this is everything, the driver group, invoice, everything we have added. Also you put your value, existing database also we have put this value from their existing database. We have included the card type, state, all state are showing here. So existing database, this data we have also already copied. Just charge account type also put the issue, and address type we did not edit it yet, so address type you need to add manually. So address type and car color and address type, and user system log, these are not added. And you can put the setting we have already added, an email template, so you can change the email template from here. All email template from your existing as a simple PHP file we have converted in the database system. You can manually update any change, any text change, you can change it from here. Automatically email change differently, so you can update it from here. So the check the booking log is, you can show here. Also driver log is showing here. So this is the admin complete dashboard. So as a user you can register from, this is your home page. So our fleet and terms and corporate and contact us, also the client login. So this is a automatic validation we have added here, so complete validation process, so no one can sign up the wrong data. Also register, so here we are registering as a miss, sorry, so Mr. Imran, and put the email, and password is same we putting, also 5914. So when you put register, so register done, this is a user portal. So user portal booking showing the all university we have added, all university form is added here. So when you put yes, automatically show here the university form. Also this is here, also the Melbourne University is here. When Melbourne University click yes, everything is show same. So Deccan University, same it for it, so must yes, then showing here. Also what you wanted, everything we have already implemented. So all university, 9 university form you will show here, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 university form I have built already. So booking history and my profile, as a user you can update it with the profile, also the number edit, and the user can change password. This is the user profile, user dashboard. So I am applying as a driver, also user can book this profile and driver. Software registering, anyone can, so business name, so like I am putting this ABN is ABN, then driver certificate, expire date is, click here, and driver license I'm putting this, and expire date is 30, phone number, additional nothing. So just application submitted. Sorry, here leak comment is too long, so this is the too long, that leak comment. So column leak, maybe ABN. Leak mean license number is it. So we are putting the license number here, so click the submit, and now success. So automatically showing, so this user not you can, never can apply a second time. So click in here, automatically show you have already applied, and this is pending. So in the admin you can check, this is the admin, so admin dashboard, you can check here your account and the driver. Click, driver is not approved already, so showing here to user, already user. So we need to put here firstly setting, sorry, go to the account, all user, come and click is the user to role, the driver, and update the role. So now showing here driver is this, this is the driver pending. So update the status, just click it. How it updated, just click, so driver, driver, this is the driver, and to, and Mr. Dev, and business, PMT, shop, everything added. You can also delete this driver. So there is a little issue in the editing, so we will solve this. And now check the, this is, this user cannot log in, this is the user, when it reload automatically showing the 403 unauthorized. So this access can add automatically driver and hit it. No, driver dashboard, this is the driver dashboard, and current job showing is there is no current job, and this is the profile here also, edit, also updated, everything you can hit. So also same here, the same thing, password change. And now I am making this user driver to partner, so showing you the partner role, charge account role, also the partner role. So partner role is 4, so when I updated it, so partner automatically done. So now come here, this is the driver dashboard, here is edit the partner, maybe it will be small character. So when you hit it, so this is the partner account, so partner report is will show here, and partner profile setting, and partner job is not showing as there is needs a charge account, so there is no charge account, so it will partner, you can no charge account linked to the profile. So when it's charge account added, so automatically added, they can put the new booking if they has a charge account. So report and dashboard and profile, everything is showing here from the partner dashboard. This is a completely partner dashboard. So each user, the different dashboard you have set up, so also the edit profile, also the change password, everything. So admin dashboard, that is one thing has been, one thing about the emailing system. So when I complete it, you need to send them an email when completed. So email system, the rest of the tasks is the email system edit, so we will review it after the completion your review. We will solve, we will start the tasks, the email notification system. Already we have added the notification system, the setting is the email template automatically added, just this email need to send by your email. So already configured the email template, also a SMTP server setup, also the email template. We have already almost everything done, so just need to send this email to the specific task system. So after the review we will make it. So thank you, best of luck.